皆さん、こんにちは。Joanna です。So today I have a special video for you because yesterday this YouTube channel got 100 subscribers already. So I'm very excited about that. Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you so much for subscribing. And because of this special occasion, I wanted to make something special. I decided for this 100 subscribers special to give out to the first 25 viewers that go and press the link. I will give a 25% discount to my online Japanese subscription. If you don't know what my online Japanese subscription is a Japanese online course that I created on Podia for students that are just starting to learn Japanese or that have been studying Japanese for not a long time, 4 months, 6 months. If you already know quite a lot, you've been studying for a few years, this is not for you. But if you are just starting and would like to start and learn Japanese, so this subscription is just for you. So if you want to check the subscription out, how it works, how it is exactly, you can go to the video that I will leave in the description below. You can check the video out so you will know exactly how it works and what it has. It has, on one hand, it has the Japanese online course where you learn, let's say, the basics of Japanese, how to introduce yourself, how to, let's say talk and write and kanji in a basic level. And then you also have the community part where I upload videos 3, 4, 5 times a week. So you have a lot of content there in the subscription to learn Japanese. And if you like to join the Podia community and you would like to start learning Japanese with this course, today is your day because I'm giving out a 25% discount to the first 25 that enter to the Podia. So thank you very much for watching. Again, thank you so much for all the support that you gave me this month, and thank you so much. I will leave the discount also in the description below. So if you are decided and you would like to use this discount, you just need to press the discount link and then join. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you so much for all the support and see us in another video. Mata ne!